In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a Shopify domain on Facebook Business Manager. We will be doing this by adding a meta tag from Meta Business Suite into your Shopify theme code and then returning to Meta to complete the verification. It's a straightforward process, but it does involve working in your theme files, so make sure you follow along carefully and save each change as you go. To begin, log into your Meta Business Suite account. Once you are inside, look down to the bottom left corner and click the Settings gear icon. This will open your business settings area where you can manage assets connected to your account. From the left sidebar, find Brand Safety and Suitability. Click it, and then from the drop-down menu select Domains. This is the section where Meta lets you add and verify ownership of your website domain. Now click the Add button and choose the option to create a new domain. In the field provided, type in your Shopify primary domain name exactly as it appears for your store. Then click Add. Once the domain has been added, select the meta tag verification method. Meta will generate a code snippet for you. Click on the code snippet to copy it, because we will need to place that inside your Shopify theme in the next part. Next, open your Shopify admin panel in a new tab. In the Shopify dashboard, go to Online Store. Then click Themes. Find your active theme, and click the three dots or the Actions drop-down menu next to it. From there, select Edit Code. In the list of theme files on the left, locate and open the theme.liquid file. This is the main layout file for your theme, and it contains the head section of your website. Near the top of the file, find the opening head tag. Right below that opening tag, paste the meta tag code you copied from Meta onto a new line. This placement is important because Meta needs to detect that tag in the site's head section during verification. Once the code has been pasted in, click Save in the top right corner. Give Shopify a moment to update the live theme. Now go back to your Meta Business Manager tab where your domain is listed. Click the Verify Domain button. If everything has updated correctly, the status should change to green and show as verified. If it doesn't work on the first try, don't worry. Sometimes here is a short delay because of caching. So wait a few minutes and try the verification again. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.